memory's gone, you can't bring it back. Watch your steps, be careful in this life. Know who is your friend, know what you can do.
Wait.
Know your limit.
Wait, please, I'm coming. Wait.
Be careful.
Chimuna, wait. You want to get up? Sorry. Where is your mother?
I don't know. I've been sleeping, so I don't know where she went.
Have you eaten?
I want to go to toilet first. After toilet, I'll eat. Help me inside.
Easy. You go live longer. You go stay longer. You go live longer. You go stay longer. You will not regret it. When yesterday came.
Mama Chibona. So. Mama Chibona. Oh, Chibona one. Very maybe. Mama Chibona. Mama Chibona. Has it gotten to this? The police has just left my house now with my husband. What do you mean? Eh?
Madam, you're very stupid. Hey, you're very stupid to walk in here and tell me that kind of nonsense. What are you saying? You're even lucky that the police didn't carry you. Eh? Madam, it is stupid. Let me even get up. Is it because they did not carry you too? You know, the painful thing here is that I warned my son over and over again to stay away from HK. Now, he's Zuri, and I can see why he's the way he is. You walk in here, you're not even feeling pity for my son. You're telling me your husband's in the police station.
Am I the one that asked my son to shoot your son's testicles? What I know is that you should go to the prison, get my husband and bring him back.
Madam, what did you just say?
Yes, go and get my husband.
By the time I'm done with you, I'm lying about that. Go and get my husband for me. Get my husband for me. Get him for me. Get me my husband. You're just as stupid and useless as your son. Hey, it's one of us. It's one of us.
When tomorrow's gone, you can't bring it back. Watch your steps, be careful in this life. Know who is your friend.
Officer, please. Please release my husband. He's not even feeling fine. Since morning he has not eaten. Please release him. I'm telling you honestly, he didn't do anything. He didn't do it. Please, just release him. Honestly, we don't know where that boy is. I don't know. But I promise you, if you release my husband, we will find that boy and get him to you. Please, just release him. As you see, he's asthmatic. If it starts now, I may lose him. Please, just release him for me. Oh, okay. I should go and bring the woman. Hey. Okay. I will try. Hey. Hello. Amuche Daniel shot me with a gun. He's the one these people are saying I will go and get. Hey. God, come to my aid. This boy wants to kill me. This boy has finished me. I don't know what to do again. Oh, Timo.
When tomorrow's gone, you can't bring it back. Watch your steps, be careful in this life. Know who is your friend. Know what you can do. Know your limit. Be careful with them.
One more, Zako. I was thinking, as per the last discussion we had when we met, Ima, would you helping my son? Honestly, if you help this boy to be someone in life, I will forever be grateful, indebted to you.
You know that you are my sister and you are my elder sister. There is nothing within my power that you ask me to do that I will not do. I will help you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Uncle Sobadi.
You see, only what you have to do is to make up your mind. Follow me to the city. And also be ready to learn. Not only that, to be so submissive. He can even make it tomorrow, even be greater than me.
Uncle, I've already made up my mind. I wanted to further my education, but since there was no means, now I'm willing to learn your line of business. And I believe God that I will make it.
Amen.
You must surely succeed. See, your education is no problem. Once you learn this line and become successful in life, you can further your education. Thank you very much. Only just to make up your mind.
So if I may ask, when is he following you?
Depends on him even anytime, even today. I'm ready.
Today. Come on here, not today.
Thank you very much. Thank
you. When you go start, I brought in a man.
Where I go on Adiotana. Many had to go okay. I never go on it.
My most intention was to go to school, become more educated and smile at my future. But now that has all been forfeited. Well, I will go to the city to learn mechanic. God, if this is what you have designed for me, then so be it. But if it is not, please lead me to my destiny and take me back to school.
Friends, they can harm you anytime. You can please them from childhood. Yeah, when so bad you can please them from childhood. Yeah, Jomo Badisu. Okakwara mama, nam no di kwara wema. Carry meting, any game mebo. Okakwara mama, tomorrow's gone. You can't bring it back. Watch your steps. Be careful in this life. Know who is your friend. Know what you can do. Know your limit. Be careful with them. My girl kept better at times. She says, sing. Spare the rod. Spoil the child. Mama wuna, wafu wukene. If any madima, if a Jordan joy. Okakwara mama, nam no di kwara wema. Carry meting, any game mebo. Okakwara mama, nam no di kwara wema. Carry meting, any game mebo. You go live longer. You go stay longer. You go live longer. You go stay longer. You will not regret it. When yesterday came. When tomorrow is gone, you can't bring it back. Watch your steps. Be careful in this life. Know who is your friend. Know what you can do. Know your limit. Be careful with them. My girl get better at times. She says, "See, spread the road."
Have you seen? Have you seen what that devil has done to you? He has destroyed your life. Hey, Chimo.
Mama, stop talking like that.
You never stop talking like that. When I advised you ages ago to stay away from that boy, that's why I hated him. You wouldn't listen. Eh? Now your life is all over.
Mama, it's not all over. This thing now. It's not all over yet.
It's not all over. You've gone to the doctor and they've told you that there's nothing they can do. Something narrow. It's over. You can't even give me grandchildren.
Doctor Kanjekulu. They said there are other doctors and alternatives. Can I try?
It's all over.
Mama, Kuzina, this all over. Kuzina, it's not all over.
It's all over. It's all over.
It's not all over, Mama.
It's all over.
Mr. Chibuna, from what I can see in your testes, it's like you had an accident there.
Yes, doctor. I was shot accidentally by my friend while we were teenagers. But I underwent surgery and the doctor then told me that it was nothing serious.
Well, I don't know what they told you. But from the scan we have here and the blood test, you can't father a child.
What do you mean, doctor? What are you talking about? Are you being serious?
The gunshot caused devastating injury to you, the structure of your penis, including the scrotum, thereby causing a devastating injury to you, the structures around, leading to this. However, the urologist that managed you didn't do a proper job, and that leads to this.
It took me 2 years to finally come to the realization that I may never bear a child of mine. Even my wife that has lived with me for 5 years doesn't know about this. I have not been able to bring myself to tell her. Ejike, that singular mistake of yours shattered my life.
Please, I am really, really sorry. Please forgive me, I beg you. Please. Please.
Listen, the only way I'll forgive you is that you promise me to take care of your wife and make a promise never to hurt her or your daughter ever again.
When are you planning on telling me about this pregnancy? Is it until it shoots out? It's none of your business. May, I thought we are friends. Am I not talking to you? Are we not friends? We were friends when you used to support me. But you see now, I see you as an enemy. Oh, but at least you would have saved your people some respect by letting them know you're pregnant. And then the man that impregnated you to know you're having this child.
For your information, Ejike, the one you know, is responsible for my pregnancy.
What you've been craving for.
Never. I will never be anyone's second choice. Yes.
What do you want to come do now? How do you want to do it? See, I don't have anything. I'm just diet and looking for.
Please, I wouldn't want you to tell my wife our story.
I don't understand.
I mean, I don't want you to tell her about what I did to you with a gun many years ago.
Come on, Ejike. That was many years ago. Moreover, we were kids. We didn't know what we were doing.
Just find the story. In case she asks you how we got to know each other. You know women, they can be so inquisitive. Please, do this for me.
You do not need to worry about that. But you have to make me a promise.
Okay.
That henceforth, you will turn a new leaf to your family.
I promise.
You see that woman in there? Your wife? You should take care of her.
I will.
Thank you. I shall be on my way now.
Let me just see you off to the gate.
All right.
Have you known my husband all this while? And you kept it away from me?
Not really, my dear. I never knew he was your husband. Ejike and I have known for many years. We both went for an SC competition as youngsters, which I won. Since then, we became very close. We became best friends. But along the line, we lost contact for years. And I only got to see him for the first time since after those years, yesterday.
So, was he like this when you were growing up?
No. I don't know what happened. But Ejike used to be a very sweet soul, gentle and altruistic.
So if he's all this, then something definitely happened to him that made him a monster. Ejike used to love everything about me before we got married, even after we had Annabelle. He loved me. Then all of a sudden he turned out to be a monster. He changed. There must be something wrong for this drastic change. There must be something that happened. And I have to be the one to suffer it.
It's okay, Nene. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened, but people do change, you know. However, something within me keeps telling me that inside him, there is still that good man you married.
No. There is no iota of kindness left in that man. He's a monster.
Please. I know I don't deserve you. And I've lost every right to be in your presence asking for anything. But if it pleases you to, show me mercy and forgive my shortcomings. I know I've been a terrible husband and a father, but I am willing to turn a new leaf. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry for everything.
Nene, I don't know. I may not be 100% correct, but something within me tells me he's sincere.
Yes, I am.
Please. I know what you feel. I know he has hurt you a lot. But please, I think he has realized his mistakes and is willing to turn a new leaf. Please. Please. Mama.
Because she must know the truth. We need to tell her the truth. It is time to tell her the truth.
Mama, you cannot tell her anything.
I receive Holy Communion. I can't be lying and using the same mouth to receive Holy Communion.
This is to protect your family.
This is the protection. I've been protecting you since
No, Mama, you can't tell her anything.
I will tell her the truth.
Mama, you cannot tell her
What
anything.
do you mean I can't tell her anything? I will tell her the truth. All day the can't go. I can't go on anymore.
I saw somebody today.
Onya came through today. Onya came through. What has it got to do with what we are talking about?
I saw Ejike today, Mama.
Chima! You saw Onya?
Ejike.
You saw Ejike again. Where man? That hopeless boy. Mwatia, he will be in hell today. So where is he now?
Mama, please, stop with the abuses. I don't know if I'm bad. The only thing I know is that I have forgiven him wholeheartedly.
You forgive it for what? How can you forgive Ejike and Mwanya? A man that dehumanized you, that's why you can't have a child. I cannot go on like this. If you notice your wife, she's been good to me.
Mama, Ima laptop.
I'm a laptop.
Ima laptop.
Because this girl has been kind.
Oh, what's the baga?
Kind to me. And when I say for you, I will tell the truth. She brought love and peace into this family. She treats me like her mother. A man sit there and it's your dad walk.
No, you don't want. You have started.
Because I'll end up like your father, no come on. Lily.
But this is for your child.
I know. I will continue to receive Holy Communion.
Hey.
Receive it.
Babe.
Mama, who is Ejike and why can't my husband be a father?
Mama, it was a very... Mama.
It's not what you think, it is what you think. Ejike be a wicked boy. Ejike was his teenage friend. And one said, do not mingle with Ejike. Stay away from him now. He refused. So one day, they went into the bush to hunt. Ejike were blue them gone.
Mama.
When set her, it went.
Babe, Mama, I'll give it up. Babe, Mama. Mama, we will give it up. Babe, Linda. Hello? I need an ambulance because...
Don't my fault.
Stop my neck!
Not my
Annie, I am sorry for being so terrible to you. I am so sorry, and I promise I will never disappoint you again.
You scared me many times, Dad.
And Dad is sorry, alright?
I've heard you. I forgive you.
That's my beautiful daughter. Thank you. Darling, thank you. Please.
I know, doctor, but are you sure she's okay? I know you told me you have stabilized her, but I need to know. Are you sure I shouldn't come to the hospital and sleep over with her, or at least know how she's doing? Doctor, this is my wife we're talking about. I know, but can I at least just come there and I would like for me to just be around her and what? No, doctor, Are you sure, doctor? Are you sure I shouldn't?
One day, this could be better. This must be better. Don't give up, hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. Iyan full, it you go be see. Ebu want to win the moon, watch him all like Iyan full, it you go be see. Want to win the moon, watch him all like Don't give up, hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. Your future is bright. Don't give up, hold on to your faith. The future is bright. One day, this could be better. Because he cannot destroy whom God have not destroyed. When you let go of your child, did you love your child? Millie Maluga, the cause of Alia. When you let go of your child, did you love your child so there? What kind of man are you? Why are you so wicked? I thought you a good man. I don't know you're evil.
No. How is she? Is she okay? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cause her to faint. I was just trying to tell her the truth. Confession is good. Even the Bible says it. If you do something bad, you confess. Because I didn't mean to hurt your wife. You know that I love her so much. I don't want to go to hell with your father. Ima, she needed to know the truth. Oh, Ima. Nah. My person and now, Mama. It just like I'm more sorry, baby. Nah, because I'm sorry.
Don't tell me you're sorry.
Okay.
Now you have seen what you have caused for everybody. If we forgive you, I won't be able to go in like this. If I ain't stop, I will forgive finally. Okay? He makes your way to image. He makes your this mouth to be with image. So maybe now to be within a wall. But when I get to where I can put his teeth, come up here now.
Okay, so to your man. Even I get one way up from the thing and Baba put here.
But I will be so this thing. Oh, I need a lot of money. I need a lot of money. What's your trust in chair? I'm ending the very thing.
And no one can get on his each. Never. It you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all like it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all like hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. This must be better. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. Ian full, it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all like Ian full, it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all like don't give up, hold on to your faith, hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. Your future is bright. Don't give up, hold on to your faith. Your future is bright. One day, this could be better. Because you cannot destroy.
Your friend swiped hand and asked them, and you're not even showing any form of concern. You are here asking me questions. I don't understand. Is Chibuna really your friend?
How did Chibuna manage to get your number?
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Chibuna is my friend. So he doesn't have my number, but he has yours to call in time of distress. Is that what you're trying to say?
Is this all you have to say? Oh well, you want to know, right? Mm-hmm. He is my mechanic. He fixed my car.
Oh.
Yes.
Your mechanic?
Yes.
Your mechanic that has your number.
I don't even know why I'm explaining myself to you. You know what? You are sick.
You see you.
You are sick.
You see you. You have some tendencies of prostitution. I show you your eye. But you never manifest.
He just the order. He never manifest. I'm just waiting.
You know, I've been asking myself really, is Chibuna really your friend? Because obviously he's not. You have a problem. A big problem.
If he's truly my friend, he should have my number. You see you see your life. It is you that have problem. You that will go, you go and collected my friend's number.
You have a problem.
You and me, who should he call in time of distress? Aguna. Now I will start getting bikinis for you so that I will brand you commercial access worker. I will know that I married a prostitute. Aguna. Can you imagine? Yes, you will be bringing money.
Look at the man I married.
Aguna.
I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of you.
If I see you close to Chibuna.
Mom, you don't look happy. What's happening? I guess Dad, right?
My sweetheart, I thought your dad has changed. He can't change.
God, just when I thought the worst was over.
Come. It's okay. It's time for school. Where's your bag?
It's in my room.
Go get it.
Honestly, Kennedy, I am so scared.
You should be more than scared right now. Like really scared. Do you know it's going to be forever etched in his heart that you are the reason he's going to live and die childless?
But he said he has forgiven me.
Forgiveness. I wish I can believe that. Because you said you grew up with him. But time has changed. A lot of things have changed about him. This man has lived, he's married for 5 years without a child. Like, I fear for your life and that of your family.
Are you saying he's going to come after my family?
For real, he's going to come after you. Don't you? Are you not seeing it? It's obvious. Now listen. I think you need to find a place to take your family and yourself to for safety. Because right now I fear for your safety. I'm telling you the gospel truth. That you need to make the decision right now. There's no time. Do you understand what I'm saying?
She fell down here, fainted, hit her head on the ground and lost consciousness.
My goodness. I am so sorry. So sorry.
So sorry, sir. We should leave.
Oh yes. The doctor gave me assurance that she's stable now and she'll come back.
God. So who is currently with her at the hospital?
Oh, my mother. My mother is with her. She's taking care of her.
Oh, thank God.
So how is your husband?
That's one. When I told him I was talking to you on the phone and how your wife had an accident, he started asking me why must you call me? Why didn't you call him? I don't know.
Well, just ignore him. I think it's one of those moods. He'll come back.
Sir, I don't think my dad has changed. He's still his old self.
He's still the monster that I am trying to run away from.
Are you serious? Did he say any other thing when you told him about me, aside what you said he did?
No, he was just silent, you know. And then when he got talking, I could see the hatred in his eyes and voice. Like, that man hates you. So your wife, is she going to get better truly?
Yeah, she will.
I'm really sorry.
Thank you.
Just stay strong.
She will. I believe so. And you take things easy yourself.
Thank you.
And take good care of her.
Sure. Thank you.
What do you want me to do to him?
I want you to kill him.
That's a small thing now. They do them every time.
Good. So how do you go about it?
So how do you want him dead? Do you want him? No problem, just forward me the pictures.
All the details, I will send it to you. So.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is your problem? Can't you see I'm with someone? Why would you back into the car like that?
Why have you not been picking my calls? For the past 2 days now, I have been calling you and you have not been picking my calls. Why?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. I'm tired of hearing I'm sorry. What is wrong? I mean, how can you be doing this to a woman who's carrying your child?
Listen, I have so many things falling out of place recently, and I needed some time to sort them out, okay?
Really? Or you're seeing another woman? Yes!
You're unbelievable. Why would you say such a thing?
Of course. Like, how would you just suddenly become busy for your woman? If somebody is not taking your attention, that means I'm no longer important in your life.
Oh God. Marianne, I seriously, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not cheating on you with any woman, so I don't even understand what you're saying.
Oh, please.
I'm totally disappointed.
Excuse me, as if you're not cheating on your wife with me.
See, I am no longer finding it funny with this nagging. All right?
Why will it not piss you off? Eh?
I said it's been business all through.
And you're forgetting the lady that is carrying your child. How? Ejike, how? Is it the love you said you have for me?
Marianne, please. At this point, my head is filled. So please, can you just get out of my car? I've had enough.
What did you just say?
I said, get out of my car.
Alright. I should get out. You will regret these actions. Ejike, you will regret it. Mark my words.
What is all this? What is all this? Carry your child, carry your child. Now Jesus you carry.
Where is your husband? Where is he? Where's that bastard? Where is your husband? I'm asking. Where is that bastard? Where's your husband?
What happened?
Where is your husband?
What happened? Why is
Your husband tried to kill me.
What?
You know I never got to tell you what he did to me? After all these years? Because he asked me to lie to you? Where is he? Where is your husband?
No, it's okay. It's fine. You know you're pregnant, and you're crying like this. Or do you want to sink this lodge with your tears?
Didn't you think about that when you chose to break my heart? Didn't think about the pregnancy.
From what you told me earlier, that man did nothing to you.
Yes.
After all, you're not even legally married to him. So why are you crying?
Mother, why are you so mean to me? How? Even in my present condition, you still have the power to speak to me this way. Why are you mean to me? Why are you mean? Why are you mean to me?
Just have to calm down, okay? Just calm down. Stop crying. I warned you. I warned you about dating a married man. Now look at what it has gotten you into. It's okay.
I think Ejike is seeing someone else. Yes, Ejike must be seeing someone else. I'm very sure that he's seeing someone else.
Don't worry, my dear. What goes around comes around. So wait for your own time. It's fine. It's okay.
It's not fine, Mother. You don't understand. I love this guy. You don't understand. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Oh, my God. I think I know what's there.
Hey, calm down. Where are you going to?
I'm going to Ejike's house and I'm going to tell the wife the relationship we have. She must know about this child in here. I will seek Ejike way to pay him the most. He thinks he can play with my emotions. He feels he can use and dump me just like that. Never.
Me, come back. Come back. Me.
You evil and wicked man.
And what's the meaning of that?
You denied a man the chance of becoming a father. Oh yes, he told me.
You know, I was actually right about you. You are nothing but a cheap whore, a prostitute.
You are nothing but a soulless murderer.
It's better to be alone than to be with bad friends, bad eggs. They knows their ways to lure you in and destroy your life. So be careful in the go. There is nothing good in keeping bad friends. They can harm you anytime. You can please from childhood, yeah.
Surprised? The assassin you sent after me did not succeed because I overpowered him. And right now he's cooling off in the police cell. What did I do to you, Ejike? What did I ever do to you in this world? I took you as my brother. I loved you as a friend and brother. Even when my mother was against our friendship, I convinced her you were a good person. I cared about our friendship. Even when I got married and realized I couldn't get a child because of your mistake, I hid it for you. And I hid it from my wife. Now she's in coma, you send assassins after me? Have I not been through in lots because of you? What did I ever do to you?
I was scared. I was scared, alright? I was scared you're going to hurt my family. I was scared you're going to launch a full-scale vendetta on me because of what I did to you in the past. Right now, you're the enemy I see.
In a few minutes from now, I swear to God you will regret taking that decision.
You Ejike! You killed her! Ejike, you killed somebody!
Bad friends, they can harm you anytime. You can please them from childhood. Yeah, when so bad you can please them from childhood. Yeah, Jomo, Okakwara mama, nam no di kwara wema. Carry metingi, any game mebo. Okakwara mama, nam no di kwara wema. Carry metingi, any game mebo. You go live longer. Be my Jenny Losa. You go stay longer. When you must they always appear. When you touch, they are gone. You go live longer. Be my Jenny Losa. If you want a balance, when you
I know I've hurt you. I've hurt you so much by disrespecting our marital vows. I'm sorry for keeping secrets from you that I should not have kept. It wasn't my intention to hurt you. It was not. I just didn't know how to tell you. Yes. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please. Please.
Mama, he's telling you the truth, honestly. We are very sorry. I know we've offended you. All by my fault. I told him not to tell you. Not because I felt you would leave us, but we didn't want to hurt you. When I was because forgive me, it's all my fault. I take all the blame with one because Boyalo. Oh,
I thought you knew me. You of all people should have known that I will understand. If you had spoken up and tell me, I will understand. I love you so much before accepting to marry you, which means I am willing to accept whatever that comes out of this marriage.
I'm sorry, I didn't know how to tell you.
You failed me. You failed our marriage. You made me look stupid.
Sorry.
I cried all day and night. All day and night.
I didn't know how to start to tell you this. I'm sorry. It's been on my mind to say. Mama and I have had this in our mind since, but I didn't know how to. Please forgive. Forgive us, please. It was her conscience that kept flogging her and then she voiced away Pupu's here.
Yes, because of what I couldn't take Holy Communion when I received it. I made me live bad.
I couldn't hold it before I
when I was young, I'm
sorry.
You made me go through all those sorrowful nights.
It's okay, I'm sorry.
I made you a nightmare.
Sorry.
A series of nightmares.
Sorry.
I kept questioning my God. I thought I was the problem, Mama.
No.
So I told you. I thought I was the problem.
Thank God, because this whole trouble. Oh, Father, thank God.
Keep us.
You tell me to thank God,
and no one can get on this each. No, it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all
Mom, you're in the hospital. Thank God you're okay.
So you're awake?
I mean,
The doctor said you suffered minor bruises, but you'll be fine.
He beats me.
Yeah, I know.
He beat me into coma.
I'm sorry. But it's all over now.
How'd you, babe?
He's in the police cell, awaiting litigation for murder.
He killed someone?
Yes. The lady that was pregnant for him. He also sent assassins after me. So they've taken him away. He's going to be away for a long time. That's what I told you. He's gone.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I mean, I don't know where I would have been without you.
Welcome. You don't have to thank me. I just couldn't sit by and watch some beast waste your life. Okay? And I also have good news. My wife has made full recovery. She's no longer unconscious.
Oh my God. God did it. I'm so happy for you. God never disappoints.
Exactly, my dear. Thank you. You'll be fine, okay? Don't worry, don't worry.
Thank you.
Mary's gone, you can't bring it back. Watch your steps, be careful in this life. Know who is your friend, know what you can do.
But obviously that's the truth.
I'm telling you, it's the very truth.
Hi,
You're right.
life.
Okay. Thank you. Non-alcohol, because of her. I know. Thank you.
Hello, Doc. Yeah, we're fine, thank you. How are you? Okay, is it that serious? Okay then, tomorrow. Yeah, we'll be home. Alright. See you then. Doctor wants to see us tomorrow.
Linda, I'm sorry to interrupt.
No, it's fine.
You have a great man as a husband. I envy you.
Mr. Chibunna.
Yes, doctor.
From the last test conducted, your fertility is back.
Are you being serious or you're joking?
His
How?
fertility is back.
Your man again. A whole man.
Hey, doctor, are you sure about what you're saying?
Okay, let me use this medium also to announce to you, Mrs. Chibunna, that you are 2 weeks gone.
What?
You're pregnant.
No, doctor.
Oh my God! And no one can get on his each. Nemo, it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all like it. You go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all like it. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. This must be better. Don't give up. Don't give up. Hold on to your faith. Hold on to your faith. One day, this could be better. Ooh, Ian full, it you go busy. Everyone wants to watch him all like it. again.